Here comes the bad news here with the fire chance. Now, it's going to be a beautiful day today, aside from this brush fire danger, which we've had much of this season, and it does continue over the next several days as we have a lack of rain the next several days, too, in our 10-day forecast. So a little bit of rain will help if we can get it. Today, we're experiencing that across northern New England, but unfortunately not so much here in Boston. The cloudy skies look ominous out there at the moment. We may squeeze out a sprinkle or two. We need significant rain to help settle things down. Air quality varies with the wind. Today, air quality is a little less for some spots, and windy days will be ahead, especially for today. Today's going to be pretty breezy and gusty, and so we do have some poorer air quality. It's moderate risk for sensitive groups. You want to limit your time outdoors today. Wind gust forecast pretty high for the afternoon as well. Peak winds 30 to 35, 20 to 25 once we go towards sunset. By the weekend, the wind does improve a little bit. The speeds not quite as much, but it's still going to be very dry both Saturday and Sunday. But today we have critical wildfire danger across the area and red flag warnings posted all across southern New England. That rain I mentioned, only a couple sprinkles moving across western Massachusetts. Most of the rain is going to be up north where we see these sprinkles. It's across Boston, but I think even much of the forecast models are overcompensating for what we actually see because it has been so dry. The drought conditions continue too. The wind, because it's from the west, it's downsloping, and it helps to really warm the air very quickly today before sunset. We're back in the 60s through 6:30 tonight, and then overnight it gets cool again leading into the weekend. Highs today right around 80 degrees. Yes, we could see some near record high temperatures yet again. As tonight's lows will fall back into the 40s, we will experience some much cooler air for the weekend, but high pressure is in control. Speaking of cool air, higher up in the sky where the mountains are, I think across Mount Washington, we may actually see some snow for Saturday afternoon. But nevertheless, how nice. It's going to be frosty for Sunday, and high pressure's in control. Nice and dry for any of your outdoor plans both Saturday and Sunday, but dramatically colder compared to what we've grown accustomed to the last several days. We're in the 50s both Saturday and Sunday as we fall back 1 hour Sunday morning. Well, Sunday morning we wake up to that frost, and then another warm up on the way just in time for Election Day next week.